What is up today, guys? Brian here, Brian's Little Garage. Welcome back to the channel. Got a little short video here I'm going to share with you. Went to Cabela's today and I picked up some Kolpin gun mounts for the four-wheeler. Actually, the wife grabbed them. I was looking at fishing gear. We picked us up some fishing gear too. And but anyway, the ones I'm going to show you, she got are, well, I just need to show you what they are so you can see, and then we can go from there. I hope this isn't too shaky. I'm trying my best not to shake the camera. Okay, here they are. This is the Kolpin Rhino Grip XLR double support, double Rhino Grip XLR. And of course, if you don't know what these are for, gun mounts, mount them on your four-wheeler, guns, tools, you know, you really use them for a lot of stuff, put a lot of things in them. These say they work with all four-wheelers, ATV or UTVs, and other different stuff. It showed on the box somewhere. Well, it showed somewhere what it worked with. Here it is on the back. Right here on the back. Works best on, has four-wheelers, UTVs, trucks, trailers, boats, garages. Okay, I don't really know how you would use that in a garage, but anyway. But they come with all kinds of stuff. This says medium duty, 20 pounds transport, which I'd plan on using for my rifle, maybe a pole saw, you know, haul it down the road and cut some limbs out of the way, which I need to do. These are the rubber fingers that go up over top, and then you can pull them down, tighten your stuff. But what I wanted to show you on this quick video, I mounted one of them up here on the four-wheeler. Now, here's the problem I'm running into. You see these racks? These flat pieces? If you look at my front rack, I'll try to get it back here where you can see really good. There's the whole rack. So, if you look, the way these mount, I don't have a whole lot of room on this front rack to mount anything. The only place that I can mount them and get to the bolts underneath, let me grab a bracket here and show you. Here we go. So here's the top bracket. This is the piece that will actually go on the bar. Then this piece is what goes up under the bar, and sandwiches and bolts go through it. So I thought, well, maybe I could mount them here, but I can't because this plastic is raised up. If you can see, it's hitting it, but when you put this bracket up underneath, we'll move that out of the way, it probably won't go all the way up underneath. It hits the plastic. So I could possibly get it right there, but trying to get to the bolts to tighten them down, but having them right here too would be putting it back too close to my light, my headlight. Well, no, I'm sorry, I can't put them here because of this. I couldn't turn them the way I needed it to hold the gun, plus it would put one of them sitting clear back here. So there's no place over here because of this flat metal they put on these racks. I don't understand why they did this. I mean, I thought, well, maybe I can mount it here, but you can't, because if you can see down in there, there's a little bracket it's hitting. That's the bracket that, you know, holds the fender on to the plastic. So then I thought, well, maybe here that fits right there, but then the top part won't sit all the way down on the bar because it hits this metal right here. So yeah, you can. I can't mount them here either because of this box. I'm trying to set them, mount them right here, which ideally this is where I'd want to mount them. So the only place I can mount mine are here on the back, and I've mounted one so you can see it. Now the other one will be right here, which if you look, it kind of puts it in really close proximity to the other one, so there's not a lot of room in between them. Only other thing I can do is mount them here, which would give me a little more width in between them, but then you can see how close it puts me to the seat. Let me grab this other piece. And these do swivel. If you notice the grooves in it right there, and there's grooves in the bottom of this, it does swivel. So you can swivel it, you know, around like that. But if I mount it here, you see how close it is to my seat. And I know I would kick the crap out of that thing every time I went and got on. Probably hang my foot up in it, and if I had a gun on there or a tool or something like that, I'd end up beating the crap out of it. So yeah. So really my only option for these, period, I don't know, I might be able to mount them here. Yeah, I think I could possibly mount them right there. Yeah. So I could do that. I could mount them here, and that would give me a further distance in between them. Which I don't want them too close together is what I'm getting at, because, you know, the way guns are made, and then, you know, tools to support them, depending on what it is, I want a little bit of difference. So that's probably what I'm going to do. Because if I mount the other one here, see how close they'll be together? That's, you know, that's just a little too close. Maybe. I might go ahead and try it right there and see how it works. But now these are a nice unit. I mean, they are really nice. They have a knob here. Knob right here. If you loosen these up, these will, you can adjust these in further, or you can adjust them out. You can spread them apart further. So they are nice, but what I was wanting to show was how they're not really for, I think, every four-wheeler out there. So, and that's on a Honda Rubicon, foreman Rubicon 520. And I'm pretty sure the 420 Ranchers have these same racks. So, that's why I wanted to do this video. Yeah, that's really all I got. I just want to let you guys know about these. I'll show you again. They are a really nice unit, like I said. So if you can come up with a different way to mount them, if you have that same four-wheeler, yeah, share it with me. Let me know if you added a bar, or you know, did something different and was able to get them on there. I'm not going to hack the racks up to put them on, that's for sure. I'm not doing that, not on a brand new four-wheeler. But yeah, that's what we got. That's what they are. So they do make another one. Let me tell you this real quick. Kolpin does make another one that actually, instead of having this flat mounting system here, this flat plate, you know, this and this flat plate, they make one that has just a long skinny stem that sticks down and has a U-bolt that goes through it. You can look them up. You can find them on eBay really easy. Cabela's did have a set of those. I probably should have went ahead and just got those. It was just one. It was just one of these, not a double. And because these were at Cabela's, and I know I probably paid way too much for them. But these were 69 bucks at Cabela's. But that's what she insisted on me getting, so that's what I got. And by all rights to haul, multiple things, I mean, yes, I kind of did want them to. So, but the single ones with that U-bolt locking system, now those I could have mounted over here really easy, because I could have mounted it right here. It was, the U-bolt, I could have put it through from the inside and it stuck right here, and then I would have had the width. Or I even could have put them right here or right here. So probably what I am going to end up doing is using these on the back. I'll probably mount them here where I was just talking about. Go ahead and put them right here. And then the other set, I'll get me another set, the single ones, and I'll put those on the front. So yeah, that's all for this video. I just wanted to share that with you guys in case anybody goes to purchase a set of these for a 2022 Honda, either a 420 Rancher or a Foreman Rubicon 520. Most of, I believe, the new Honda four-wheelers are going to that rack style, so yeah. Excuse me. So yeah, that's all I got, guys. Y'all take care, have a nice day, like, comment, subscribe, and like I said, if anybody else has mounted a set of these up on their 2022 or 2021, I think they had them too, leave me a comment, let me know how you did. Alright, we'll see you.